Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your daily English podcast. I am Lisa. Today, we are going to make your English brain super fast. We are talking about thinking fast and speaking smart. Why are some speakers fast? Because their brain is ready. Why are some speakers smart? Because their sentences are clear. We want you to be both fast and smart. Our expert, Paul, the super brain coach, is here to give us the longest, best lesson on fluency. Welcome, Paul.
Hello, Lisa, and a big welcome to all our future fast talkers. Fluency is a skill like driving a car. You must train your brain to go quickly and follow the rules. We will use the traffic light system today. Green light, go. Speak English directly. Yellow light, slow down, use a filler word to think. Red light, stop. Make a quick correction, then go again. We have 7 powerful keys for your success. The green light, stop translating. The simple car, master SVO. The yellow light, use filler words. The rhythm, speaking in chunks. The drill, quick reply practice. The red light, handling mistakes. The habit, daily practice plan.
This is a complete system. Let's start with the most important rule, the green light. Key 1 is the green light signal. Go directly to English. We must stop using the slow road of translation.
When you translate, your brain uses 2 roads. Road 1, your language, and Road 2, English. We want to close Road 1 and only use the fast English highway. The sight sound drill, 30 seconds. Action, look at 5 things around you. A window, a pen, a chair, a light, a shoe. Rule, immediately say the English word out loud. Do not think the name in your first language first. Goal, teach your brain to link the image directly to the English sound. The image sentence drill, 1 minute. Action, think of simple actions, a person sleeping, a dog eating, a bird flying. Rule, do not think the words, just think of the image, then say a simple SV sentence about the image. Example, image of a cat, you say, the cat sleeps. The verb first rule, always try to think of the verb, the action, first. Example, you want to talk about your job, think work. Then you say, I work every day.
This is about making a new habit. Every time I see something, I must use the English word.
Correct. Your brain must hear the order. English only. Green light.
Key 2 is speaking smart by using the SVO rule perfectly. This is the simplest car on the road. It never breaks down.
SVO means subject, verb, object. This structure is clear and the listener always understands you. It helps you think fast because you always know the next word you need. The structure check. Every sentence must pass this check. Check 1, S, who is doing the action? I. Check 2, V, what is the action? Watch. Check 3, O, what is the target? TV. Result, I watch TV. Perfect. Building longer sentences simply. You can add time or place, but always keep SVO first. I like coffee, SVO, in the morning, time. We eat food, SVO, at the table, place. The short sentence rule. If your sentence is getting too long, stop. Start a new SVO sentence. Wrong, slow. I like to go to the park and also I like to walk my dog. Right, smart. I like the park. I walk my dog there. 2 SVO sentences.
This is a powerful safety net. When I am nervous, I just think SVO. Key 4 is the yellow light, which means slow down and think. We use filler words to fill the silence when our brain is searching for the right word.
Silence makes you feel stressed. A filler word makes you sound natural and buys time. Well, the opinion starter. Use this when someone asks you what you think. Question, is your new job difficult? Your reply, well, it is difficult, but I enjoy it. Gave you 2 seconds to decide. You know, the searchlight. Use this when you're looking for a specific name or place. Example, I saw that movie with the famous actor, the tall man. Let me see. The calculation pause. Use this when you need to count, check time, or think about a detailed answer. Question, how many people are in your class? Your reply, let me see. There are 15 people in my class. Actually, the correction. Use this when you need to give a slightly different answer than expected. Example, I bought it last week. Actually, it was 2 weeks ago.
I feel so much safer knowing I can say, let me see, instead of just standing there silently. K5 is a new secret, speaking in chunks. English speakers do not say one word at a time. They group small words together for rhythm. This makes you sound fast and smooth.
A chunk is a group of 2 to 4 words said together, like a small, fast train car. The preposition chunk. Group the small words used for place and time. Say this, I'm going to the store on my bike. Do not say, I am going to the store on my bike. The verb chunk. Group the main verb with its small helper words. Say this, I want to eat now. Want and to eat are one chunk. Do not say, I want to eat now. The focus drill. Take one short sentence and practice saying it 3 times, trying to keep the words grouped. Sentence, he lives in Canada. Practice, he lives in Canada. He lives in Canada. He lives in Canada.
This is the rhythm. If I practice these small groups, my speaking will sound more natural and quicker.
You are training your mouth to move faster.
Key 5 is the drill for speed, quick reply practice. We are training your brain to think in 3 seconds or less.
This is a simple game. You must answer immediately. If you translate, you lose the point. The emotion game, 1 second. Answer immediately with how you feel. Question, how are you today? Answer, fast, happy. Question, do you feel sleepy? Answer, fast, no. The simple SVO game, 3 seconds. Answer with a full sentence, SVO only. Question, what is your favorite color? Answer, fast, my favorite color is blue. Question, did you drink coffee? Answer, fast, I drank coffee this morning. The filler and SVO game, 4 seconds. Use a filler word, then answer with SVO. Question, will you travel next year? Answer, fast, well, I will travel to Japan.
This game is fun, but it's hard. It forces me onto the English highway.
Practice this quick reply game for 5 minutes every day. Speed is essential.
Key 6 is the red light stop. This is when you realize you made a mistake. Do not panic. Stop, fix, and go.
The mistake is not the problem. Stopping completely is the problem. The simple correction rule. Stop the sentence, correct only the bad word, and immediately continue the sentence. Bad, I bought, wait, no, I'm buying the milk yesterday, slow and messy. Good, I bought, I'm buying the milk today. Quick fix and continue. The sorry reset button. If you're totally lost, use the polite reset button. Phrase, I'm sorry, I need to start again. Then you start the SVO sentence correctly. Self-kindness check. After a mistake, your inner voice must be kind. Simple self-talk. My mistake is small, my effort is big.
When I see a red light, I will take a breath, correct, and feel proud of the quick fix. Key 7 is the most important for the long run, the daily habit. We must make fast, smart speaking part of every day.
We call this the daily 5 minutes. You only need 5 minutes of special practice every day. Morning drill, 2 minutes. When you wake up, look at your window. Describe the weather and your plan for the day using only SVO. Example, I see the sun. I will eat breakfast. I will study English. Evening review, 2 minutes. Before bed, describe 3 things you did today. Use the filler word once. Example, well, I walked to the park. I saw my friend. I felt tired. The listen and repeat drill, 1 minute. Listen to one sentence from a simple English podcast like this one, pause, and immediately say the same sentence exactly as you heard it. This trains your mouth for rhythm.
5 minutes is not much time, but the habit is strong. This will make the fast thinking stick.
Consistency is the secret to fluency.
Paul, this was the ultimate super detailed guide. We learned the whole traffic light system to think fast and speak smart. Let's review the 4 most powerful actions. Green light, image first, English word second. SVO, always say subject, verb, object. Yellow light, use well or let me see to pause. Rhythm, practice speaking in chunks. Your homework is complete the daily 5 minutes drill tomorrow morning and tomorrow evening. Then use one filler word in a real conversation. Thank you for listening to your daily English podcast. You are getting smarter and faster every day. Until next time, be smart and speak fast. Bye.